Stop! Before you give up on your relationship, before you walk away thinking nothing will ever change, you need to hear this. There's one conversation that can rescue even the most broken love. And 99% of couples never have it. This isn't therapy jargon. This isn't communicate better nonsense. This is the raw, real talk that pulls relationships back from the brink. Here's the brutal truth. Your fights aren't about chores, money, or sex. They're about terror. The terror of being abandoned, the terror of failing, the terror of never being truly seen. And until you address that, you'll keep screaming into the void. The fix? The doomsday talk. You sit down, stare into each other's eyes, and say, "What's the worst thing you're afraid I think about you?" Then you hold space for the answer. No defending, no fixing, just witnessing. When she whispers that you think I'm too much, or he admits that you believe I'm weak, that's when the healing starts. That's when love gets a second chance. This works because it bypasses the petty arguments and goes straight to the nuclear pain. Try it tonight. And when it changes everything, come back and tag someone who needs to see this, because every broken heart deserves this lifeline. Share this now. Someone's relationship is hanging by a thread.